Miss Katie has a fun art activity today that involves watercolors, a piece of paper or a paper plate that's just paper, salt, and watercolors, like I said, and water. So you're going to take your plate and you're going to just get it really wet. Take a brush and just wet it down, okay? That's all you're doing. Okay? Once it's all wet, you'll know it's wet, okay? You'll start seeing it kind of like, you got to be careful when you're doing it because you don't want to rip your paper, but you want a lot of water kind of on there. Okay? So then you pick your colors of your watercolors, okay? Remember, you can make your own watercolors. All you have to do is put a little water and food coloring in a different bowl or something, and that will work also, okay? So I just put some yellow, put in some blue. When you mix them, that makes green. Okay. And then I'm going to do some purple. And you can take your time. Miss Katie's just kind of trying to rush, which I shouldn't. But you can see the different colors of purple with the blue mix. So you have a darker blue, a darker purple. And if you do it on the plate like this, you can kind of make it more bigger, okay? So, I'm gonna do a little green here also. Okay. Gonna add a little more yellow over here. And then I'm gonna do some orange on this side. So once that's done, what you're going to do is take some salt and you're just going to sprinkle it on. And you're going to take your hand, okay, and just push it around like this, okay? And it's going to look like clumps of white on there, and some of the salt is going to change color. Have an extra plate. And you're just going to dump your extra salt on a plate. Okay? When it dries, this is what it's going to look like. See all those spots? That's from the salt. Isn't that kind of cool? So it's like a saltwater colors. Now, if you want, you can make this into a seashell that you would find in the ocean. Okay? So you could cut the bottom with a pair of scissors. My plate isn't totally dry yet. And I'm not the greatest artist cutting out a seashell, okay? Here's my seashell, okay? And you could make lines. Just take a marker, any marker, and you can make a line to it. You could, okay? And this is just something else you can do. See, I didn't make my lines totally there. And it could be your seashell, okay? Or you could leave the plate totally blank, okay? And you can leave it like this. You can make a rainbow with it. Think about that. So it's watercolors. First wet the paper of the plate with just plain water. Then you use the watercolors. Then you use a little salt. Sprinkle it, rub it on. Shake off the extra. Let it dry. And that's when it comes out looking like this with the spots. And then if you want, you can make a seashell. Okay? Just something fun and different to do. I hope you're all doing well, and hopefully we can get to a beach this summer, but I do miss you all, and I hope you're all healthy, okay? Big hugs, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.